Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to have a look at my Bush VHF72. It's a 3-band valve radio from around about 1958, covering medium wave, long wave and VHF. Now as you can see, she's absolutely filthy. I've dug it out of my bottomless pit of a garage and this hasn't been powered up in years. But nonetheless, I did a few basic checks on it and would you believe the old girl still actually works. Now I stress, don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing. If you found maybe an old valve radio at either a junk shop or on a car boot, you need to get it checked out because these things can be lethal. But nonetheless, what I'm going to pop it on and see how she performs. So let's try it a long wave first. It takes a minute or so to warm up. And would you believe the magic eye still works, albeit it's a little bit faint. There we go. See what we can find.
They've got their own vineyards and obviously Brad Pitt. And then you've got celebrities that are kind of just getting producers that are already well known and then using that to essentially white label their own.
That's radio for us, not much else on long wave. So let's try medium wave.
Is that umpire Wilson's waiting for the replay?
Bit of cricket.
Determined whether this is 4 or 6. Finally it comes.
Sounds pretty good because it's got a bass and a high frequency speaker. So pretty good for the time. Now she's just using some internal aerial, so it may not pick up an awful lot.
And Alexander Kolev to score. He plays for domestically. He's been in good form. That pays 16-1 and 20-1 with that 25% boost. And just a reminder,
Picking up a bit of buzz off the camera. Let's try VHF.
And Beethoven's Eroica Symphony. The last one.
Sounds pretty good.
A little bit more on the expensive side.
It is a very smooth and beautiful one to end on. I can see why they're making so much money. Alicia, thank you so much for joining us on the programme today. That is The World This Weekend. This week's producer is Olivia Soper, the editor.
See what else we can find.
Nearly 50 golds packed away in the GB bags, one of those belonging to cyclist Finlay Graham.
The part of it is the biggest event and everyone wants to win it, so you do need to be on top of your game to be able to come away with a gold.
Right at the top in there. Buttons are a bit sticky still, but I can't really blame her. So there you go. It's a rather grubby VHF72 from 1958, but nonetheless she still works, so pretty impressed with that. So what you need now is a good clean and a service. Thanks for watching.